years. So today we will discuss for whom is better to get a mortgage and for whom is better to get installment plan with the post handover for 5-6 years. Watch this video till the end and you will know all important details. From the beginning, I want to notice that to get a mortgage, you have to be either employee in the company for minimum 6 years with the salary 15,000 dirhams per month, or you can be the owner of your own company. But your company has to be registered in UAE at least for 2 years. For both types of mortgage, you have to prepare full of documents, go to the bank and wait for approval. And you have to know that if you are an employee, for you it will be easier to get a mortgage than for owner of business. So what is the difference between Islamic mortgage and normal, regular mortgage? When you are getting normal, like standard mortgage, in your title deed, you will be the owner of apartment or villa or any property what you are buying. But in that document will be written that your property is in the mortgage from the bank. In Islamic mortgage, in your title deed, the bank will be the owner of your property. But when you will pay 100% of your bill of cost of your property, the land department will change this document and you will become the owner. So this is the only difference in these two types of mortgage. But for end user, it's no difference because finally, in the end, you will get the normal title deed when you are the owner of your property. So it doesn't matter will you get Islamic or normal mortgage. In Dubai, average of mortgage rate is 5-6% per year. And also you have a possibility of refinancing. So if we're talking about mortgage, this will be very good for end user. So if you are buying a ready property, instead of rent it, you can buy it with a mortgage, and live there for by yourself and with your family. This is very good scenario. But if you want to invest, like to buy a property with a mortgage and rent it, like to earn money, to be honest, mortgage scenario is not good. Let's talk why. Because mortgage, as we said already, has like 5-6% per year. You are paying this extra, right? And your return of investment in Dubai is like average 6.5%. It's not like 10 years ago you could get a mortgage for 2-3% per year and rent it with the ROI like 10-15%. In that scenario 10 years ago it works very well. But today mortgage is good only if you are buying as an end user for your own private life. If you want to invest, just listen this video to the end and we will show you the best scenario how to buy and earn money with rent or reselling. And now let's answer on most frequently asked question. First question is, can I resell the property which is under the mortgage right now? Yes, you can. And here you can see two scenarios. First, if your customer who is buying your property doesn't have a full amount, he also can get a mortgage, from same bank or from different bank. But in this case, deal is going between two banks, between your bank and between bank of the client who is buying your property. So this is very easy. A second scenario can be if your client has a full amount of cash. In this case, he's just closing your mortgage. He's just paying instead of you in the bank to cover full amount. Also, very important point that in Dubai they have a credit rating. And if you will pretend to get a mortgage, Bank of UAE will scan you on the special website, special app where they will see your credit rating. You can even check it by yourself at Al Ittihad Credit Bureau. You can find the link under this video. So what influences on your credit rating? To to be honest, all your bills. Your Diva bills, internet bills, your phone, your for your rent apartment, like bank can check everything, how you're paying your bills. So if you are, very disciplined person who is paying everything monthly and don't have any pending amounts, you can be sure that you have a good credit rating, but better to double check on that website. And one more question, can you get a mortgage for the off-plan property? No, because to get a mortgage, your property has been completed at least for 50%. In Dubai, it's not real. If you want to buy off-plan, usually the building is sold out when only plot is ready, not even when one stone put inside under the building. Yeah, so it's not reality here. So to get a mortgage for you is a good option to buy like a ready-made apartment. But if you want to buy with the best price off-plan property, we have for you good options. What can happen if you will delay with your payment for your mortgage? Here in Dubai, bank will be always on your side. Yeah, bank will give you some time. They will try to contact you to inform you that you are delaying. They will remind you a few times, and definitely you will have some extra time to make your payment. But better, of course, have some amount ahead, so for few payments ahead, to be on a safe side and to be relaxed with your mortgage. So if right now you already understood that mortgage is not good option for you and you don't have full amount to buy a property, don't be upset, because for you we have another good option. You can buy off-plan property from any developer and choose your best new amazing unit with an installment payment plan for from 3 to 8 years. So now we will tell you about 3 developers who is giving interest-free installment for 7-8 years. First of them is Danube Properties. To buy a property off-plan from Danube developer, you have to pay down payment 30% during 3 months, and then 1% per month during 7 years. During constructions, till the moment when your building will be completed, you will pay 65%. And then when you get the key, so it's a handover, yeah, you can rent this apartment or you can live there by yourself, you will pay 36 months with a payment of 1% per month. So this is a very good conditions with no extra charge. It's really, if it costs you $200 during 7 years, you will pay $200. Also, one of my favorite projects, to be honest, it's Expo City. It's Dubai government who built Expo 2020 and spent $8 billion there, now creating on that area amazing sustainable community. And you can buy there apartment or townhouse or duplex with a post-handover payment plan. It's the system is 50-50. 50% during 3 years of constructions, and then 50% during 5 years when it's ready. To be honest, this is amazing conditions, and this is amazing, very eco city, eco project. So for more information, please contact us with the details below of this video. And now we will tell you about a third developer. And our third developer who is giving you interest-free installment for 8 years, it's Samana Development. This developer famous of their pools in each apartment. Yeah, it's really very interesting and very useful for Dubai when it's every day is very nice weather, so you can have your sunbase and your swimming on your balcony. So for Samana Developer, if you are buying a property, you have to pay 20% down payment, and rest you will pay during 8 years. 3 years during constructions and 5 years after your handover. But Samana developer has a very good proposal for investors. So if you don't need any installment plan or mortgage and you're buying off plan and you want to earn money and you have 100% of cost of apartment, developer will take a loan from you. Can you imagine it? So you're paying 100% as a down payment of plan, and then during 3 years of constructions, developer will pay you 8% per year. So you paid 100% and then you will have, I don't know, like you can call it as a cashback or you can call it as a return of investment. So you will get back 24%. So it's as the same as, you're getting cashback or discount or return of investment. So this is a really very good offer. So just think about it. Think about the installment plan, about the mortgage or full payment. Contact us and we will help you to select the best project with the best unit for you to live with your own family or to earn money. So please tell us, how do you like this approach to sell a property in Dubai? Please leave a comment how it works in your country and what do you think about these offers. And see you soon in our next video.